And today my dad is driving us to Lake Chico. So I got this fidget toy here. It's a puppet. And it's a keychain. You can put it on your bag or put it on the things like bags, wallets, and more. And this is only has seven dots on top, and it's very loud. Yeah. So now I have 3 hands. Yeah, and I got another fidget toy. It's this one. This is a puppet too, and this has rainbow colors. So this is red. It is orange. It's yellow. It's green. This is blue. It's purple. Bye guys, remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell. And comments if you like puppets. Bye, see you in the next video.